All right, everybody, welcome to the homework assignment for lesson number 5. So we're still in this parallelogram proof section of the course. So let's take a look at what they give us here. So it tells us that PQRS is a rectangle. By knowing it's a rectangle, I know a lot about this shape. I know it's a parallelogram, so all 5 parallelogram properties are true. I also know that the angles are all the same size. They're all 90-degree angles. They're all congruent, right? I also know if there were diagonals that they'd be congruent, but this picture does not have diagonals. Now, this is asking us to prove that PM is congruent to MQ. PM is in this triangle. And MQ is in this triangle. No vertical angles here, no reflexive property here. So everything we're going to get from these 2 triangles has to come from my givens. So the first given is that's a rectangle. PQRS is a rectangle. That's given. Okay, what do you know about a rectangle? Opposite sides are congruent. So I can put that in my proof. PS is congruent to RQ. So we can say in a rectangle, opposite sides are congruent. What else do I know about a rectangle? I know all the angles are the same. So I can say S is congruent to R, because in a rectangle, all angles are congruent. The next given says M is the midpoint of SR. That was given. Midpoints bisect the segment. So from that, I can say SM is congruent to MR because a midpoint divides a segment into 2 congruent segments. From all of this, I have a set of sides, a set of angles, and a set of sides. So I can say triangle SM was up top, P is congruent to triangle RMQ by side, angle, side. I have a side, I have an angle, I have a side. Because of this, I know that PM and MQ are congruent because they're in these 2 triangles. So I can say PM is congruent to MQ because of CPCTC. That's my proof. All right. That's it. Oh my gosh, that was a short homework assignment. Look at that. Hopefully that made sense, and I will see you all soon.